It was the high winds that caused most of the damage on the Cape. Sandwich police captured this video of a snapped telephone pole on Freeman Ave, one of many wires brought down by the gusts. Dozens of trees also gave in to the wind. This one shut down Stonehill Road before it was cut up and cleared. Lifelong resident Ed Santos tells me this storm even sounded scary.
Just being inside the house, all you hear is noises all over the place and the dogs are going crazy.
And it was the wind.
Oh, yeah.
There's earlier some customer they came in, they say they don't have power.
Matthew Hassan was one of the lucky ones who didn't lose electricity, but tens of thousands of Cape residents did spend the evening in the cold and dark. Eversource sent dozens of crews down Route 3 to restore power, and getting around tonight wasn't easy.
It's pretty bad out there. It's really slippery. It's really the packed down snow.
Did they make a good call to keep folks off the roadway for the most part?
Absolutely, absolutely.
What a difference a day makes. How warm was it yesterday down here?
59 degrees. Believe it.
It's about minus 59 now, I'll tell you. Thankfully, those ferocious winds have died down a little, but power outages, the big problem. In fact, we're told that the Barnstable Courthouse complex will delay opening till 10 a.m. tomorrow because of a power outage issue. And also, a lot of schools here are closed or delayed for tomorrow. You'll want to check on that. We're live in Sandwich tonight. I'm Mary Salata, WCVB News Center 5.